Hi, I'm so excited to be able to welcome you to the 2017 November Box of Making. And I'm really delighted that I get to be the person to provide the unboxing for you. Now, if you've already gone through it and opened it, that's fine. But let me tell you a little bit about what we've got, some of the fun projects we're going to be making. First, if you noticed on the outside of your box, you've got some code words written down, as well as code words on the side for your description. You're going to have to decode this before you can see what the real topic of our box is. So if we open the box up to get started, what you'll find on top is a welcome letter. Thank you again so much for joining us with the Box of Making. And then we have our fun piece right on top. Everybody said they really enjoyed that the last time, so we've done it again here. You'll notice that I've got a set of gears. These gears allow us to do encoding and decoding. And we've given you a sample and a setup to get started. So this will give you everything you need to be able to decode your box as well as to decode what's here. So use this as you first get started. Take a look at bit.ly/secrets-intro if you want to learn how to get that started. And then let's see what else is in your box. Oops, there's some paper right on top. You can put it aside if you want to or take a look at it. It's just going to tell you a little bit about what we've included and all of the pieces and parts, and remind you to take a look at your videos for all of the instructions. And then right on top is the geared lamp. This is the kit to build the big project in this month's box. We're going to include all the wood for it, as well as a really cool pendant lamp cord, nice long cord so you can run your lamp anywhere, and a really cool Edison light bulb to use with it. So that's the first project that you'll see right on the top of your box. Then we have the Box of Secrets. That's our little box we've built for putting your code wheels in if you want to store them not on top of the box. We've given you 2 of them so you can give one away to a friend. And you'll use the wheels and the screws off of your welcome box to finish being able to put together the partial one. So you've got those 2 boxes, and then our art supplies for this month are these really cool metallic gel pens. I think you'll really like them. I use them to decorate one of our snowflakes, and it looks really great. We've also got 2 ornament kits in this box. These are actually both brand new for this project. One of them is a snowflake, looks like this, with gears on it you can spin. And one of them is a tree with square gears on it. Again, a little bit different than anything we've ever done before. We've also got your usual pin test wood, so you've got some pieces to color on and test how things are going. Some spare screws. And last but not least, sandpaper and Gorilla Glue. Once again, that'll get you everything you need to get going in the box. We're just so excited to see what it is you make. Have fun. Thanks so much.